Today we are going to learn front and back post double crochet. This is fairly beginner friendly. If you have learned the double crochet, you will be able to follow along with this tutorial. To begin, I have just a single row of double crochets and I have worked a few front posts already. So remember, we're going to be working around the post of our stitch. So we're going to be going into the space between the stitches instead of into the top. Yarn over, insert your hook from front to back, back to front. So you're going to scoop up just that one double crochet post. Yarn over, draw your loop to the front. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, draw through 2. Yarn over, draw through 2. Again, yarn over. Hook goes front to back, back to front, grabbing just that one post. Yarn over, pull your loop to the front. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, draw through 2. Yarn over, draw through 2. And that is it. Scoop just that post, pushing it towards the front, and complete your stitch as usual. For back post double crochet, we're going to work it the same way, but our hook is going to go behind our fabric and out the front. Okay, so yarn over, insert your hook from the back to the front, and then from front to back around just one post. Yarn over, draw up a loop, 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2. Again, yarn over, hook goes from the back to the front, and the front to the back, scooping up just that post. Yarn over, draw up a loop, 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2. And that is it. Back to my swatch from earlier, you can see that I've combined front post with back post, and that creates this nice thick double-sided ribbed fabric. You can also do blocks of front and then back and then front again to create a basket weave or a waffle stitch. And it's really versatile and super fun and easy. So let me know in the comments what you're going to make. And if you have any ideas for other things you'd like to learn, let me know.